Unlock the game. Mastering slang in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we've got a fascinating phrase to unpack: have game. You might have heard it in movies, on TV shows, or even in casual conversations. But what does it mean, and how can you use it in your own English speaking? Stick with us, and by the end of this video, you'll have game in understanding and using this cool piece of slang. Have game is a phrase that comes straight from the playground to the boardroom. It's a slang expression often used to describe someone who has skill or talent in a particular area. Originally, it referred to sports. Imagine someone who plays basketball really well. They've got moves, they've got skill, they've got game. But it's not just for sports. Have game can apply to any area where someone excels. It could be their charm in social situations, their knack for negotiations, or even their flair in fashion. When you say someone has game, you're saying they're good at what they do, often with a sense of style or confidence. Let's put have game into context with some examples. In social contexts, when talking about someone who is very charming and good at conversation, you might say, "Wow, Alex really has game. Everyone loves talking to them at parties." In professional settings, describing a colleague who is excellent at their job, you could comment, "Mia really has game when it comes to project management." In romantic situations, talking about a friend who's good at dating, you might remark, "Sam knows how to impress on a first date. They definitely have game." In each of these situations, the phrase, have game, is highlighting someone's competence and confidence. Now that you know what it means, how do you start using have game in your conversations? Here are a few tips. Use it to give compliments. Telling someone they have game is a way to praise their abilities. Apply it to various contexts, but remember it's informal. This phrase is perfect for casual conversations but might not be suitable for formal occasions. Combine it with other slang for a more colorful expression. For instance, "You have game on the dance floor" adds enthusiasm and vividness to your speech. There you have it, a complete breakdown of the phrase, have game. We hope you now feel confident understanding and using this term in your English conversations. Remember, learning English isn't just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about the fun phrases that make the language so vibrant. So go out there and show the world that you, too, have game in English. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.